While Google's Android team is preparing for the big Android 12 release, the company's Chrome division has been working on a couple of user interface refreshes, and I'm going to be giving you a preview of both of these changes, as well as how to force these changes on your Chrome browser today. We've seen Chrome receive a lot of updates over the past couple of weeks, many of them pertaining to the Android 12 release, specifically with the Material U theming engine. But recently, the company has been working on both a user interface refresh for the downloads pop-ups, as well as the bookmarks page. So you're likely already familiar with how this user interface, how this user experience behaves before. Whenever we download a file from Chrome, it displays what is called a toast message at the bottom because it slides up and appears from the bottom of the screen. I can give you a demonstration of that now. We just download an image. We see this toast message pop up asking us if we want to download. It pops up that it is downloaded, that it is downloading, and then one pops up that it is downloaded and is finished downloading. So instead of displaying at the bottom of the screen, the new user experience for that is going to show up at the top. So whenever we download an image, you can see the message comes in from the top, telling us that the file is downloading, and then that the file is downloaded. And we also get the open button, just like before, where we could see the details down there, or we could open the file after it was completed downloading. We can do that just the same at the top. We're just seeing a different user interface element than what we were seeing before. It's now showing up at the top. So as I mentioned, the company is also working on the user interface for bookmarks. Now before, as it is currently, when we go to see our bookmarks, we can see them in a list view, but the list view is rather small. We can see both the bookmarks themselves as well as the bookmark folders. They are there in list view, but again, the text is rather small, and that's changing in the new user interface. We can see by going into bookmarks, we can see it's still in a list view. However, they are expanding the size so that it is both easier to read and easier to tap and select. Now these changes are all a work in progress. Google could stop the development of these changes at any time. The company is only testing these changes in the Canary build of Chrome at this time. So if you are using the stable version of Chrome and you're wanting to try out these new interface changes, you're going to need to wait a little bit until Google rolls out these changes to the stable build. So as of right now, not only are these new interface changes tucked away in the Canary build of Chrome, but we also have to enable a couple of Chrome flags in order to force these changes. So if you're wanting to try out the new download user experience and the new bookmarks bar, then you're going to want to go into the Chrome flags page, and you can do that by typing in Chrome://flags and press enter in the address bar, aka the Omni bar. And in here you're going to want to search for two different flags. If you want the new download user interface, you're going to search for the term download, and you're going to enable the show download progress message. We're going to change that to enabled, and then we're going to relaunch the browser using the blue button. If you are wanting the new user interface for the bookmarks page, you're going to want to look for the term bookmark, and you're going to want to enable the visual refresh for bookmarks flag, and then relaunch the browser using the blue button. Now, as of right now, these two flags are not in the beta or the stable version of Chrome. But over the next couple of months, as those apps receive new updates, we are likely to see these new flags appear in those versions of the Chrome browser as well. So right now, if you want to try out these new changes, you're going to have to use the canary build. But over the next couple of months, I expect these to begin making their way into the stable build. At least that will happen if Google ends up preferring and wanting to switch to these new user interface changes. So those are the latest developments happening for the Chrome web browser and how you can try them out right now in their early stages.